ghost. I'm ashy. Oh Lord.
She told me to call her Britney, bitch. Pull up Britney, bitch. Hey, acting like a silly bitch.
So I'm back and I'm a little less crusty than before. Let me tell you my secrets. So I changed the things on my ring light and it makes me look less ashy. Oh, and my other secrets are lotion and lip gloss. You're welcome. Open the window so you know I'm not a freaking animal. I can't really see, these lights are blinding me, but you guys need to see me. You need to see all of them.
What the hell is even that?
Anyway, so what I did was I detangled my hair in the shower with this Aussie Moist conditioner. And I finger detangled. Yes, I'm getting used to this natural thing, y'all. And then I used this brush right here. This brush is the bomb. It was only $1 at the beauty supply. They don't sell them at every beauty supply, but you can find it, get one, because it's only $1 and it works great. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. We just gonna roll with it, okay? I'm just gonna spray some leave-in conditioner. Shit, that's way too bright.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Still can't see it. It's Cream of Nature. Pretty cheap. Ooh. Period. Get like me.
Boy,
Okay.
if you don't...
I'm gonna oil my scalp. Probably could have done that first with some wild growth hair oil. Not a lot, because my scalp is not squeaky clean, so I don't need that much. But enough so my scalp is not ashy like me. So on each section, I'm going to use this African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner. If you don't know what this is, I probably already have a video up reviewing this line. So what are you doing? Go check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and then some Eco Styler gel on each part of my hair. And then I'm going to use a Denman brush to detangle and define my curls / coils. Cause you know we type 4 over here. Period. Oh shit, it's 11:30 and I have class at 1 o'clock. So that means I have to leave at 12:30 and I wanted to eat at 12. I'll probably have to eat after class, I don't know. That's that, let's use a little Denman. Let me get a little closer. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen, but that don't look like, y'all. I'm gonna lose my shit if I rinse my hair for nothing. You know what? No, I'm not. We just gonna go to class like this. Call it a mother freaking day. So I'm just taking little pieces. And this is just the back of your hair, Brittany. Calm down. Calm down. That don't look terrible, okay? Just keep going, because you don't have time to complain. I'm trying to clump them. Clump, come on. Oh, so they clump when I use my hand, but they don't really clump when I use the brush. Noted. I got you, bro. I'm starting to understand you. Like, I got you. Like, you think I don't understand you? I see you judging me. I see it. I can hear your thoughts. You're judging. Yes, I am talking to myself. Yes, I am talking to my hair. Mind your business, okay? Put the gel on there. Hey, that ain't bad, okay?
That's what good sounds like.
Hey, that ain't looking bad, bro. That ain't looking half bad. I also have water. just in case you get a little dry, you know. Bro, that is too much sleeve-in conditioner.
Ho, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
You know damn well you don't got no business using that much. This is a lot. Yeah, you better curl. Okay, I didn't mean it. Please just detangle, bro. I like it. I really do. It's freaking snowing outside, bro. Like, who does that? Michigan is so ghetto, bro. Hey, I'm gonna leave my hair like this. I'm gonna leave my hair like this, dog. If I like washing those, then I'm gonna get a curling cream instead of just to leave in so I can moisturize and curl my hair at the same damn time. At the same damn time. Editor, cue the music, please.
At the same damn time. At the same damn time. At the same damn time. At the same
Hold on, we need to have a chat right this section right here. We need to talk, cause ain't no reason why the front of you need to be acting like this. Curl, curl, curl. Come on, you could do it. Come on, I believe in you, bro. You know what? Since you just want to do what you want to do, I'm not with you no more. Brush down. What did I just do? Why you just do that, bro? You could have just fucking left it. Ooh, I piss myself off sometimes, bro. I could have just left it alone and it would have been curly at the top. Crop top. My hair's still wet everywhere. But, like, wow. I've never done a wash and go before and it's not bad. Like, it ain't looking bad. When it dries, I can, like, fluff it out some more. But right now, I'm just going to leave it alone because I don't want my curl definition to go away. First, I'm gonna call my mom. When your mom doesn't answer your phone call, I see. I see. All right, y'all, it's been real. I will be showing you clips throughout the day to show you what my hair look like because this is bomb and I hope that it dries looking bomb too. I don't really like this shape, but like from the side and shit, it look cute. Like, I don't know what the back look like either, but I'm trusting y'all. Okay? So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, comment down below. Give me some tips because I'm gonna try this again, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you. Like, gracias. Like, I don't know how to say thank you in any other languages. Peace out.
It's like you know all of the things I'd be and you don't want me to leave you. You always boy, cause I'm gon' rise up. All of the shit that he never could see, now I know it must hurt when he looking.